Hello friends, welcome back to Exams Made Easy. Today we will be discussing a recruitment notification that has been published by NIT Srinagar. NIT Srinagar is going to recruit engineers, technical assistants, assistant, steno and non-teaching staffs. So friends, before we begin, I would like to inform you that here in Exams Made Easy, you can get each and every engineering recruitment updates every day. So if you are watching this channel for the first time and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe and never forget to press the all notification bell icon to never miss any coming updates. So friends, coming back to this analysis, the first post is for senior scientific or technical officer. For this post, total number of vacancies only one. BE, BTech or MSc in relevant field or MCA degree with first class or equivalent grade is required. For this post, 5 years experience is also required and maximum age limitation is 50 years. Pay scale is from 15,600 till 39,100. Next post is senior SAS officer. For this post, total number of vacancy is 1. Master's degree in physical education or master's degree in sports science or equivalent with 60% marks is required. Record of having represented the university or college at the inter-university or intercollegial competitions. Qualifying in the national level test conducted for the purpose by UGC, that is UGC NET or state eligibility test. Age limitation and pay scale is same as the previous post. Next, SAS officer, number of vacancies 1. Educational qualification is same as the previous post, like master's degree in physical education or master's degree in sports science or equivalent with 60% marks. Record of having represented the college or university in intercollegiate competition. Qualifying in national level test, that is NET or SET. Age limitation and pay scale is same as the above two posts. Technical officer, that is an engineering post. Total number of vacancy is 2. And educational qualification is BE, BTech, MSc in mechanical, electrical, electronics and communication, metallurgical and material, computer science, engineering or physics. Or friends, BE, BTech, MSc in computer engineering are also eligible. For this post, no such post qualification experience is mentioned. Age limitation is 35 years. Pay scale is same as the previous posts. Assistant librarian, number of vacancies only 1. Master's degree in library science with 60% marks is required. NET, SLATE or SET qualified. And age limitation is 35 years. Pay scale is 15,600 till 39,100. Executive engineer and civil engineering discipline. Age limitation is 35 years. Pay scale is same. Educational qualification is BE or BTech in civil engineering with first class or its equivalent grade with good academic record from a recognized university or institution. That means if you have done your AMI in civil engineering, then also you are eligible. Technical assistant, total number of vacancies 14. This is also an engineering post. Educational qualification is BE or BTech or MCA in relevant subject or diploma in engineering relevant field or first class bachelor's degree in science from the recognized university or institution in the relevant field, or master's degree in science from a recognized university or institute with at least 50% marks or equivalent grade. Here age limitation is 30 years and pay scale is 9,300 till 34,800. Now civil and electrical engineering junior engineers, total number of posts are 2. That means 1 for civil, 1 for electrical. Educational qualification is BE or BTech or first class diploma in civil and electrical engineering. Age limitation is 30 years. Pay scale is same as the previous post as I have mentioned earlier. Next post is for pharmacist. Number of vacancies 1. Educational qualification is 10 plus 2 in science with 2 years pharmacy diploma or bachelor's degree in pharmacy. Registered as pharmacist. Maximum age limitation is 27 years. Pay scale is 5,200 till 20,200. SAS assistant. Number of vacancies 1. Educational qualification is first class bachelor's degree in physical education. Strong record of participation in sports and drama, music, film, painting, photography, journalism, etc. Age limitation is 30 years. Pay scale is 9,300 till 34,800. Junior assistant. Total number of vacancies 18. Educational qualification is 10 plus 2 from recognized university. Typing speed of 35 words per minute and proficiency in computer word processing is required. Maximum age limitation is 27 years. Pay scale is same as the pharmacist, like 5,200 till 20,200. Next post is stenographer. This is the last post. Total number of vacancies 2. 10 plus 2 plus 80 words per minute in stenography. Age limitation and pay scale is same as the previous post. Upper age limitation is applicable or relaxable as per government norms. That means 5 years for SC/ST, 3 years for OBC, 10 years for person with disabilities. And friends, what is the selection procedure? You can get each and every information regarding the selection procedure from this official website. Link is available in the description box, by following which you can directly jump to the online application page from where you can apply online. And friends, for more informations, you can download the PDF copy from our Telegram channel, as well as link is available in the description box of that particular PDF copy, by following which you can download the official PDF copy or officially announced notification what I am discussing now. So friends, no application fee is required for SC/ST and person with disabilities and women, and for other general category of candidates 1000 rupee is required as application fee. Thanks for watching as always. Have a nice day ahead.